Hi, my name is Richard Wheeler. I've been a developer for many years and just recently graduated with a data science degree last August. Um, Looking forward to see what I can do to help Finxter with Python and possibly other languages like Julia, because that's an up-and-coming language. And certainly appreciate Chris for all the freelancing information and how to be a business person. That's going to be a challenge for me, but I think I can do it. Recently just got a job and looking forward to working with that to gain more experience in data science. And it's a short-term contract, and I'm hoping to be able to go full-time freelancing at that point. So just want to thank you, and I'll be contacting you with project ideas.